How to make your Facebook private. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook profile private. If you're looking to protect your personal information and control who sees your posts, this guide is for you. Be sure to watch till the end, and let's get started. Open the Facebook app or visit Facebook in your browser. Log in to your account if you're not already signed in. Tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner for Android or bottom right corner for iOS. Hit the gear icon to open up Settings. In Settings, tap on Privacy Checkup. Select Who can see what you share. Tap Continue. At this stage, choose who can see your contact information, like your phone number, email, birthday, and hometown. For maximum privacy, select Only Me from the drop-down menu. Once done, hit Next. You can now set the default audience for your future posts. Options include Public, Friends, Friends Accept, or Only Me for complete privacy. Adjust the same for your Facebook stories by selecting the desired audience. To block someone, tap Next on the next screen. Then search for the user, hit the block button next to their name, and confirm. You can add as many users as you want to your block list. After making these changes, hit Next and you're all set. And that's how you can make your Facebook private. Now, your profile is secure and only the people you trust can see your activity. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.